In the next several videos, we're going to cover how to create explosions with scripts. In my game, I have a wall that I want a player to destroy by pushing an exploding part towards it. The first step is to have the exploding part itself. In my game, I have a simple sphere that I've inserted a script into. Inside the script, I already have a variable for the part using script.parent, as we saw in a previous video. Now let's add a line of code to create an explosion. I'm going to need to reference the explosion later, so let's first add a variable to store the explosion in. Now, we can create the explosion using a function called instance.new. Anytime we want to add something to a game with a script, we use this function. First we type instance.new, then open parentheses, then the name of the thing we want to create. In this case, we want to make an explosion. Notice that this function needs us to put the name of the object as a string, surrounded by quotation marks. Next, we can tell instance.new where to put the new object by typing comma, then the location we want. In this case, I just want the explosion in the workspace, so I'll type game.workspace. And now we're done with the function, so we'll put it in a closing parentheses. Now we also need to tell the explosion where to explode. Just like parts, explosions have a position property. In this case, we simply want to set the explosion's position to be the same as our exploding parts. Last, we need to get rid of the part after we create the explosion. This is done with the destroy function of a part. Now remember in this case to use a colon instead of a period. Now if we run our game, we can see our part explodes.